Hey, welcome back. Thanks for watching. Today I want to talk about a basic kind of country blues lick in major pentatonic, key of C. Starts out something like this here. So that's pretty much, the riff, that I'm talking about. But the main part I'm getting at is so that's the major pentatonic riff. And what I'm doing here is I slide up with my third finger from the 5th to the 7th fret on the D string. And I'm kind of introducing a little bit of hybrid picking, so I'm using my middle finger to pick any note that I need to either strum up, but I'm using my middle finger and I'm plucking it. Gives kind of that snappy country sound, so I'll grab this 8th fret here on the B string, and I'm also using my middle finger to pluck that note. And to get out of, when I'm getting out of that riff, I'm doing a full bend here on the 7th fret of the G string. I pluck that too. And when I come down, I'm grabbing that 5th fret on the G string, and I pluck that as well. I kind of accept that's my root note. That's my C right there. That's the C note. So after I accentuate that C, I kind of just climb down. I hit the 3rd fret on the G string, and then the 1st fret, but then I hammer back to the 2nd fret on that G string. So I'm going from the minor to the major 3rd on that G. I grab this F note here with my 3rd finger on the D string and do an F triad. I'll strum. You can use your middle finger to pluck a note. And then I do this little kind of chromatic run in C pentatonic and C minor pentatonic, and it's so it's sort of just climbing back up to that C note on the open E. Open 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Back to that home chord, that C bar chord. So make it your own. It's just to kind of groove on that. It's basically a 1 to 4 chord progression in the key of C. I'm going from my C to my F. You could even play that same riff up here off of this F bar chord. So try to get that down. You can use that, in a lot of different things, but the pick, and then I'm using my middle finger. So anything that I need to necessarily pluck up with the pick or up pick, I hit with my middle finger. So thanks for watching. I hope you get something out of that. Hopefully the tabs that I'm, posting up above and everything are working out for you. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.